What's the meaning of chronically? Chronically. Chronically.
Chronically. Chronically. Chronically is an adverb that describes something that occurs over a long period of time or is constantly present. When used to describe health conditions, chronic means a condition that persists for a long time and is generally not curable, but can be managed with treatment. The term can also be used to describe patterns of behavior, such as being chronically late or chronically disorganized. Chronic conditions often require ongoing medical treatment, lifestyle adjustments, and self-management strategies to prevent complications and improve quality of life.